President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos hosted a casual dinner for senators. According to Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero, last night's dinner was a social event or gathering. The wives of the lawmakers were also invited. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian said politics was not a talking point, adding the president wants to maintain constant communication and cultivate relationships with lawmakers from the upper chamber.
This is a regular dinner. And the first two dinners nga na hinost niya with senators, all invited, walang pinipili, I was not able to attend. Bilang katibayan na walang pinipili, bagaman din nakadalo si Senator Pimentel, yung kanyang may bahay, si Kat, ay nandun.
Business as usual dahil alam naman ng palasyo at alam naman ng ating Pangulo na marami tayong mga bills na dapat tapusin, ang dami pang bills na dapat tapusin.